Now, as a lot of people know that... Hey everybody, it's your old pal Wood Doofus. You know, the other day I was driving to work and I had an experience that changed my life. Oh, double rainbow all the way, double rainbow. Oh, what does it mean? Well, at least it inspired me to come up with a cutting board that I was interested in making that I haven't ever seen before. That's where these come in. These are actually maple veneers that have been dyed all the way through with these colors. I was able to find these things online and order them. So what I'm going to attempt today is to make a cutting board with a rainbow inset in it. So let's get started. Now, as everybody knows, the mnemonic device for the colors of the rainbow is Roy G. Biv. That means you got your red, you got your orange. Who are you?
I'm Roy G. Biv.
No, we're not talking about you, Roy. Get out of here.
Okay, see you later.
All right, anyway, we got all the colors of the rainbow, so let's check them out. So when I squish all these together, I only have about a ½ inch of material. So I think what I want to do is rip all of these down the middle and double them up so that I have more representation of each color, and it should end up being about 1 inch of thickness. I ended up just scoring them with the blade here and then just snapping them along the score line. I thought I could use the table saw, but that was a little cumbersome. So scoring with something this thin worked out great. Now I just got to do the glue up. Been drying overnight, but I think it needs some more drying time. It's not focusing. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and try to shape it up and then let it dry some more. So I cut the ends off so we can see a pattern there coming around. And then I tried to cut one straightish side so I can run it through the table saw and cut off all this excess on the other side. So let's see how that works. Alright, so here is the cutoff, and as you can see on the other side, we're really starting to get some shape coming out of this. So I'll show you. Gummet focus. Where's Roy G. Biv when you need him? Here is full board. I'm going to cut a section off to put into a cutting board. Looks like I actually still need to run this side through the table saw now that I have a good flat edge on this side. So I just cut these strips of maple and walnut, and they are 16 inches long. And so what I'm going to do is take my board that I've fashioned here and cut a 16-inch length off of it, and then run it through the table saw at the same width that these were ran through. So it's time for the glue up, and I use Titebond 3 because it's a waterproof glue and it's good for cutting boards. Alright, it's been glued up for, well, roughly 24 hours, so I'm just going to scrape off the glue and try to send it through the planer. And now I just got to sand it with the 120 grit and then the 220 grit sander. And for the final step, we're going to put on some mineral oil. Just wipe it on, let it sit for an hour, and put on another coat, and it should be good to go. Alright, we're all done here. We got Roy G. Biv back in the house. We got 2 coats of board oil on there, so it's looking pretty good. We got the feet screwed on to the back so they won't slide around when you're cutting stuff. What do you think, Roy?
I think it looks just like me.
Oh, because of the Roy G. Biv colors?
Yeah.
Okay, I get it now. So I have this much more board material. I could probably make about 4 more cutting boards out of this. So if you're interested in a cutting board like this, hit up my Facebook business page, which should be linked in the description. And send me a message to say you're interested in buying one of these, and I can probably make another one. This one's probably going to be a gift for somebody I know. Alright, Roy, you ready to sign off?
Yeah.
Okay, what do I say at the end of all my videos?
Don't be a doofus.
Alright, so what do I say at the end of all my videos, Roy?
Don't be a doofus. This guy is a big doofus.
Alright, Roy, let's go ahead and wrap it up. You know what I say at the end of all my videos?
You're a big doofus.
No, that's not what I say at the end of my videos.
Sorry. I gotta go. And besides, who are you talking to anyway? I'm taking this.
What?
I like chicken nuggets.